Are you still at sea as to either start a YouTube channel in 2025 or not? Now, in this video, I'm straight away going to take you through why you must start your YouTube channel in 2025, even when nobody is watching. Now, you see, straight away, the first reason is that YouTube can make you rich. YouTube can actually change your life. That is what I'm sure you want to hear, and that is the reason I am beginning it with this particular one. There are a number of people that YouTube has made them rich. Oh yes, and maybe you've heard of a lot of these people I'm talking about. Now, YouTube is a platform that has been generated to help people who need financial support or financial assistance. When YouTube started, I'm sure most people were not actually having that in mind. Most people were not actually knowing that. And so a lot of people who started YouTube way back were actually doing it as a result of passion or something like that. But hey, here in our time, YouTube is changing a lot of lives. And let me tell you, YouTube is the platform that can actually pay you the amount your work or that your profession cannot, and in nowhere be able to pay that amount for you. And that is the reason you must start your YouTube channel now in this 2025. It's actually going to help you to get to the financial freedom. I know of a lot of people on this YouTube platform who have been able to support their education, who have been able to support their family, support their marriages, support their works and all that with the help of YouTube financial freedom. Oh yes, you be in your room, you be in your field, you be at wherever you find yourself, and then you feel free, you get more videos, you publish more videos, and as a result, YouTube is actually gonna pay you for that. YouTube is actually gonna help you with what we call the ad revenue. And so if you're new, if you're about to know what to do on YouTube, if you're still thinking, why do I need to create a YouTube channel? Please let this video be a motivational video for you. Now, when you create a YouTube channel and you have this platform, YouTube is gonna put adverts on your videos, and as people keep watching your videos, YouTube is gonna base on the number of views and all that to actually pay you, and it's gonna help you a lot. So why are you wasting time? What is preventing you? What is actually drawing you back from starting your YouTube channel? It doesn't necessarily matter where you find yourself. Now, wherever you find yourself across the globe, you can be a YouTuber. You can start today. You can start now, and you can make it now. Oh yes. Now, some people think about why or how do I start it? You need not to get sophisticated equipment or gadget before you can start a YouTube channel. No, you can start making your videos with your device, the available ones to you. You can start making your videos with your phone and all that, and it's actually going to help you a lot. So that's the first reason you must start YouTube 2025, so that you get your financial freedom. A lot of people are withdrawing money, $1,000 a month, $2,000 a month, $500 a month, $200 a month, $3,000 a month. Some go to the extent of getting more than that. Oh yes, and it's helping a lot of people. And hey, think with me, if not YouTube, which particular job in your country, in your home country, will give you $60,000 a month? Fine, I know for sure that there are certain kind of profession that can get you that, but how many are these professions that we're talking about over here? You understand? Assuming you have a job, you have an occupation. Now, think with me, is that occupation, is that job giving you this amount of dollars at the end of the month? Even let's use $1,000 US. Are you getting $1,000 US? How many people in your family, how many people around yourself, how many people in your field are getting this $1,000 US a month as a result of working? But hey, YouTube is available to give you that and even more than that. And it's just a matter of kickstarting. It's just a matter of starting this your YouTube channel. That is it. Put away all sort of fears and all sort of discouragement and all that, and kickstart today. Now, as a result of this, I'm going to support all those who are going to start a YouTube channel after watching this particular video. So if you're part of them, if you're part of those who have started YouTube channel after watching my videos over here, or after watching this particular video, if you're gonna start a YouTube channel, do start it. When you finish, come to this particular video's comment section. Let me know that, hey, Smart, I've started my YouTube channel as a result of watching this particular video, and I have a special support for you. I'm gonna promote your channel for you in a very special way that's actually gonna blow your mind. Do it. Don't fear. Just let me hear from you in the comment section, and I'll give you my full support, and it's going to help you a lot. The second reason you must start your YouTube channel this 2025 is that, you see, YouTube platform can also serve as a storage device. Oh yes. So you've got a lot of videos on your phone. You go to event, you have family reunions and all that, and you have a lot of videos on your phone. Sometimes you buy storage devices, you buy SD cards. Yes, you buy pen drives, and you're having a lot of pen drives and all that. You see, YouTube, technically with this one, a lot of people have not even gotten attention to that. YouTube, as you keep pushing your videos over there, as you keep publishing your videos over there, YouTube is going to save them all for you for future, so that in case you need them, you're actually going to find them. Oh yes, the same way as you shot them. And so you can upload all your videos over there on YouTube. You delay them from your phone so that you get a lot of space on your phone. That is it, and that's a very smart way. It's a very smart move. Oh yes. So even if your concentration is not on the money, you can use YouTube platform as a storage platform, as a storage medium. And hey, as you keep storing your data over there, as you keep storing your videos over there for future use, you're actually going to be paid as well from the YouTube ad revenues, and it's actually going to help you a lot. And I hope you know that it is not only the YouTube ad revenue that's actually going to get you paid. You know, when you get monetized, YouTube is also having what we call membership, where you can let your members register for special kind of videos, for special perks, and these members over here, as part of your subscribers, will be gifting you, will be sending you some sort of payments, will be paying a certain amount of money to you every blessed month. This one is different from the YouTube ad revenue. You understand? That is it. And there's another one called Super Chat, where when you're having your live streaming, people can actually gift you, and these are also extra source of income as a YouTuber. That is it. And so that is the second reason you must start your YouTube channel this 2025. Now, moving on to the third reason. The third reason you must start your YouTube channel this 2025 is that, you see, when you become a master of a certain field, when people begin to know that, hey, this guy, this young lady is actually into this. Maybe your channel is about education, your channel is about how to. So when people begin to find out that you actually know what you talk about, you're actually into what you're talking about, maybe you're health personnel or YouTube growth coach like myself over here, or you give out some sort of education in whatever field, and as people get to find out that, hey, you are good at this one, your services are going to be needed. Yes, your services are going to be needed, and they will come along with some sort of payment. Oh yes, you can be a coach coaching people, you can create some sort of courses and all that, and they're going to be paid. They're going to be paid once, and you're going to get money, you're going to get extra money as a result of that. That is it. So why are you wasting your time? Why are you not creating a YouTube channel? Why are you not starting a YouTube channel today? Please let this video be a motivation for you to start your YouTube channel now. And hey, trust me, you're actually gonna make it. And I said earlier, if you're gonna start a YouTube channel as a result of this particular video, let me hear from the comment section. If you've started your YouTube channel as a result of watching my videos, let me hear from the comment section, and I have a special way of supporting and assisting you. And you know what? The last thing I'm adding over here as the fourth reason to start your YouTube channel 2025 is that, you see, as a result of YouTube, a lot of people have been able to visit places where they wouldn't have gotten the chance to visit. Oh yes, let's take someone like Wodemaya. Wodemaya now is actually visiting places. It's actually visiting countries across the globe. It's actually meeting big people. It's actually meeting top personalities, government officials, president, and all that, business moguls and all that, as a result of the YouTube channel. But it started just as the way I wanted to start. It started so small, but now he's a big man in the YouTube industry, and that is exactly what I want you to also be. And that is the reason I am making this video, to motivate you, to uplift your interest in your YouTube journey. So that is it. If you found value in this video, do well to actually share this particular video to help other people. And hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Actually, I give you tips, powerful tips like this for you to actually follow, to also grow your YouTube channel over here. I've not been selfish, and I will not be selfish. I will continuously be giving out the best. What have been working for me, that is what I give it out over here, so that it can also work for you over there at wherever you find yourself. So don't forget to click on the subscribe button, be part of this wonderful family, so that whenever there is a video over here, you'll be part of the first people to have access to it. And thank you very much for watching this video, and till we meet next time in the next video. All that I'm saying is that God bless you, but hey, don't forget to watch this particular video. This one is a special video. Those of you who would want to know the equipment and the gadget they need before they can start a YouTube channel, this particular video is here to guide you as to what you need, the equipment you need to start your YouTube channel. Watch this particular video and hey, it's going to be amazing over there for you.